Hi, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. This is your Ratsa and I'm back with the mathematics class. Dears, I forgot to mention the date and day, so please mention it. Today is Friday and it's 6th November 2020. We have completed exercise 7.1 of cubes and cube root. Now today we are going to start the last exercise, that is exercise 7.2 of the same chapter. Okay, let's start. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. You know what is prime factorization method? We have already discussed in our explanation videos. Yeah, isn't it? Okay. This is very simple. Let's start. There are many questions, okay, my dears. I have done three questions for you. Because this is easy, you try to understand this and solve all the questions whatever is left. You practice at home. And if you find any problem in any question, you please give me a call and do not message me. You please give me a call. Okay? Let's start. The first one is 64. Now the method itself say prime factorization, so we'll do the prime factorization of 64. So you know how to do it. 2 32 is 64, 2 16 is 32, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. Very simple. Now you have to find the cube root. So the symbol of cube root, you please look at your screen. The symbol of cube root is like a square root, but you have to put a like a square root, but you have to put 3 out here. Why we are putting 3? Because it's a cube root and you have to make a pair of 3. In square root you are making a pair of 2, but here you have to make a pair of 3 triplets. Okay, so that's why we have written cube root of 64 equals to cube root of, now what are the prime numbers we got? 2, how many times we got? 6 times. So we have written 2 6 times. Now to take out it from this root, you have to make the pair of triplets. So there are 2 pair of triplets, so 2 times 2 will come out. So no need to write the symbol of cube root, because you have made a pair and take it out from the cube root. So now 2 2s are 4. So the cube root of 64 is 4. That means if you multiply 4 for 3 times, you will get 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Are you clear? The cube of 4 is 64 and the cube root of 64 is 4. Okay, let's come to Roman number 3. 10648, 10,648. So the prime factorization of 10648 is this much. So now we'll write this again with the sign cube root, and again the symbol cube root is here with all the prime factors we got, 2 3 times and 11 3 times. Now as usual we'll make a pair of triplet, here also pair of triplet. So there is one pair of triplet of 2, so 1 2 will come out. One pair of triplet of 11, so one pair of 11 will come out. 2 11s is 22. So the cube root of this is 22 and the cube of 22 is this. If you multiply 22 for 3 times, you'll get 10,648. Okay, let's move to the next one, that is Roman number 9. 1,75,616. So the prime factorization of this I have already done here, you can see. Now as usual you will copy the same number with the cube root sign, and again the cube root sign with the prime factor of this, 2 9 times and 7 3 times. Now let's make a pair of triplets. So 1 time 2, 1 2 will come out. 2 pairs of 2, so again 1 2 will come out. So again 1 pair of 2, 1 2 will come out. So again 1 pair of 7, so 7 will come out. By multiplying this 4, 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So 56 is the answer. That means the cube root of 1,75,616 is 56, cube root. cube root of this number is 56 and the cube of 56 is this number. That means if you multiply 56 for 3 times, you will get the 1,75,616. Okay, let's move to the next question.